Transforming your backyard into a beautiful garden is more than just adding plants. It's about creating a peaceful, welcoming space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. Start by envisioning what you want your backyard to feel like. Do you want it to be a calm retreat, a fun space for gatherings, or a mix of both? Once you have a vision, you can start planning the layout, keeping functionality and beauty in mind. One of the most effective ways to shape your backyard is by dividing it into zones. Create a cozy seating area with a small patio or deck where you can enjoy your morning coffee or host evening tea with friends. Use pathways made of gravel, stepping stones, or bricks to guide people from one part of the garden to another. This not only adds structure, but also helps keep the space organized and easy to maintain. Plants are the heart of any garden, so choose a mix of textures, heights, and colors to make it lively all year round. Combine flowering plants with evergreens and ornamental grasses. Raised beds or layered flower borders can add depth to the space. If you're working with limited room, vertical gardening using trellises or wall planters can maximize space and add visual interest. Water features like small fountains, bird baths, or even a mini pond can elevate your backyard by introducing the calming sound of running water. These elements attract birds and butterflies too, bringing your garden to life. They don't have to be expensive. A simple DIY fountain can make a big impact while staying budget-friendly. Adding lighting is another game changer. Soft, warm garden lights placed along the paths or under plants can create a magical ambience in the evening. Solar, powered lights or string lights wrapped around trees or fences are low-maintenance options that bring charm without increasing your electricity bill. Don't forget to add personal touches to make the space feel truly yours. A handmade bench, colorful pots, or even a mural on the boundary wall can add character and style. If you have kids, you can include a small play corner with a sandbox or garden swing to make it fun for everyone in the family. Lastly, choose garden furniture that matches your theme and is weather resistant. Go for a balance of comfort and style. Wooden or wrought iron sets work well for a natural look, while rattan furniture adds a modern touch. Keep a few cushions, a throw blanket, or even an outdoor rug handy to create that extra inviting feel. Enhancing the outdoor space with thoughtful garden decoration can significantly elevate the overall look and feel of a house. From vibrant flower beds to charming pathway lighting, every element contributes to creating a welcoming and visually captivating outdoor environment. Incorporating features such as cozy seating areas and decorative planters adds personality and charm to the landscape. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.